Okay, we're going to look at some exponent practice. So multiplication says that I'm going to do x to the power of a plus b. When I multiply powers of the same base, I'm going to add the exponents. For division, I'm going to do x a minus b. When I divide, I subtract powers of the same base. If I look to a power of a power, I'm going to say it's x to the a times b. And when I do power of 0, it's equal to 1. So let's look at some examples. So what I want to do is I want to do the brackets first. So I'm going to add because I'm multiplying. So I get x to the power of 15 divided by, and then I'm going to multiply x to the power of 15. I'm going to subtract. So I get x to the power of 0, which is 1. If I do the next one, I'm going to say 7 to the power of 4. So I'll grab my calculator. And I'm going to do 7 to the power of 4. And I get 2,401. I'm going to get 7a to the power of 4, so I multiply. So I get a to the power of 40. And then b, there's a 1 times 4 is b to the power of 4. If I look at this next one, I need to do brackets first. So I'm going to do 70 divided by 35 first. And then I get 2x. I'm going to do dividing, so I'm going to subtract the exponents to the power of 5. And then that's to the power of 10. I'm going to do 2 to the power of 10. Gives me 1,024. And then I multiply, gives me x to the power of 50. Okay, so I have a square-based pyramid. I'm going to highlight that. It has a base length of this and a height of that. And we want to determine the volume of the square-based pyramid as a simplified power. So I'm going to write down the formula. The volume is base squared height divided by 3. So the base is 3 to the power of 100. I'm going to square that. The height is 3 to the power of 58. And I divide it by 3. This means I have 3 to the power of 200 because I multiply times 3 to the 58 divided by 3. When I multiply powers, I'm going to add the exponents. So I have 3 to the power of 258 divided by 3. This really has a power of 1. So I have 3 to the power of 257. And that would be millimeters cubed. So I can say, therefore, the volume is 3 to the power of 257 millimeters cubed.